Mark Domingo Quason Cruz. Can you please stop making nonsense about, for example, last 2019 you talk about there's a U.S. troops in the Philippines to provoke Russia, Iran, even China, even North Korea. What's the problem? There's a U.S. troops in the Philippines, even the Middle East. And you're saying about um, that what is that the word you say that America F word? Yeah, that's a word. I never say a bad word, sa. Mark Domingo Quason Cruz. With all due respect, I know I put you in my enemy list, so I do not want to say about your attitude. Mark Cruz, why can't you just shut up instead? You're brainwashed with the Carl Vilus. You want to provoke the the Middle East. You want to provoke everybody. I'm not provocating about wars in Middle East. You know, just like I said before, we have to be neutral. Just like I said, we have to be neutral. We have to be non-alignment. Like Kuya Bear says to me, like the State of Israel or the Islamic Republic of Iran, they're fighting against each other. They're making wars in Middle East. Well, he has to be neutral, or neutral only, neutral. We have to be neutral. As we are Filipinos, we have to be neutral. J-Rick Silva was right. We have to remain neutral. I say to Mark Domingo Cruz, you will be happen just like Paulo Cruzada. You will be happy to Gina Sejo and Jeffrey Asejo and Jim Macasandil, my arch enemy. That was the uncle of Paula Nunez. Mark Domingo Quason Cruz, last 2019, I will never forget what you did to me. And then you say about to Christian Megito, you're fighting over with the K-pop, even Juan Carlo Pabale. I do not know what you're talking about. Mark Cruz, you need to learn about your attitude. You need to stop with your bad words. And you accusing Nguyam Pongkan that you call her cattle cow. Unbelievable. You should never call that the person like this, and you call her kettle cow, that Miss Earth 2018. That's nonsense, Mark Cruz. If I were you, you need to better to learn your lesson. This Zionist Mark Cruz, anyway, he's really a pro-Israel. He's really a pro Spain, pro-Israel, even pro-Jose Maria Aznar, pro-Benjamin Netanyahu. He says about bad words. He says about profanities, like in American English words, in Hebrew. What is your problem? Mark Cruz, I just want to say, you need to apologize for all your mistakes. You have to stop with your bad words. Me, I never want to say bad words too. Because me, I don't want to say bad words to Nanay Ningning. The word asshole words. Let's call it, all the Germans are very stupid. That's a racist. You know, Mark Cruz, you need to stop what you're saying bad words over at J.D. Sagada, and even Eliza De La Cruz. You know, it's not really good to say bad words. You know, in bad words, as you are a Christian, you should never say bad words in Christianity. You know, I practicing in Shia Muslim when I was in Malaysia. As a first Filipino Shia Muslim, I studied there in Malaysia in Arabic. I never say bad words. Oh, I didn't. In special education school in Malaysia, I was a first Filipino Shia Muslim with autism. I studied there in Malaysia, in Islamic school in Malaysia. I never say bad words. Last 2014, I never say bad words. Even I was in CDIFI, I never supposed to say bad words. When I was with Klaus, oh, I was with my friend Klaus. He never say bad words. Since years with the time of Ralph Guevara, he never say bad words. Even since years of Paul Ernst Young, he never say bad words. You know, Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz, you need to stop with your bad words. Otherwise, people are saying to you, you're really a bad influence.